So guys, my good friend Tridip Sarange purchased gift for me. What is that gift?
Gold.
Yeah. Oh, John, ako pasalubong niya, John. John asked if he also has.
How about mine?
Ingo pa siya, John, na nakaikaprindak.
Sa kanati mo na?
Kana ba?
Kana day, ano sa din?
Nag-video ko niya.
Kana ba kanay mo na sa imong phone?
O, mausan na.
Si ko hilig gold.
He said he doesn't like gold. Ah. Dati, Rajon, kanay mo ayaw ba niya? Wala, pwede buha.
How to put it here? I don't even know.
Namat, John. Ay, lang sarad eh. Eh, kay malibakon ko sa mga silingan. Abli, Rajon.
Okay.
Abli, eh.
Yay! Done.
Thank you for the gift. See, guys. This is, this bracelet means infinity. Where's that? Wait, how? My God, it's blur. It's blur. This is infinity bracelet. Means, what is the meaning of this?
The friendship, the bond will be infinite.
Means endless.
Yes.
Thank you for the gift,
Welcome.
Mr. Tridip G. Sarangay.
Salamat. Welcome.
Guys, who wants gift? See?
This hallmark and everything is
He said to me, ngayon meron ka ng ipagsasangla. Yes, sabi niya sa akin, meron na daw akong isasanla, mga kaibigan.
the bill of it.
That's the bill. This is real gold, guys. See? See? Oh, infinity bracelets. Infinity. Show your face here. Here. Because it's against the light. I will take photo. Here. There.
Yeah.
Okay. There na lang. I will take photo with this. Maybe thumbnail. Wait, infinite. It's blur.